In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix email is not working on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you just need to make sure that you have to enable an airplane mode. So just go over here, turn on the airplane mode from the control center. Now you just need to wait hardly what I have to say, maybe 3 to maybe hardly 1 to 2 minutes. Then you have to turn this off so that you'll be connected back to the Wi-Fi. Sometimes if you wanted to receive all kind of fresh email, should be having a good internet connection. So that is the reason I'm saying you have to try with this one as the first one. Next one is all about you have to tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll down a little bit and navigate to the general, and from here you have to scroll down and navigate to over here. You'll be able to find the date and time. Now if the set automatically is not turned on, make sure that you set it automatically. That is very important. And once you do this, you just need to go back. Now from here at the bottom you can see you have to scroll down and navigate to the apps. Now from here you have to search here for mail app. Either you can scroll down and navigate to it, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to search it. Then you have to tap on the mail. Now from here you have to tap on the mail account, and these are some of the mail ID that is on my account right now. I have to select the one over here. Then what I need to do is just make sure the mail is enabled. If it is turned off, that is the reason. So make sure the mail is turned on, and you have to turn on contacts and all those things. Just make sure you do all these things. You have to turn on your mail ID, and that might ask you for login. So you have to log in. Right? So for the purpose of video, I'm not going to do that. Just make sure if you have multiple email ID, that is what you have to do. Just go over here and you have to turn on, and also you have to log in. So right now I haven't logged it, so that is why it is going again. So it is getting disabled, so you have to log in. Then afterwards, what you need to do is just need to go back, and still if you're having these kind of trouble, what you need to do is you have to try with this. That is all about you have to make sure that your software is up to date. So to do so, you have to tap on the settings. Now from here all the way down, you have to tap on the general. And from here, what you need to do is you have to check for the software update and make sure that you're on the latest version of software update. That is also very important. Another one is all about you have to do a force restart on your iPhone. So to do a force restart, you have to press the volume up followed by the volume down, and you have to press and hold the power button here. So let me do it. Let me press the volume up followed by volume down, and press and hold the button over here like this. Just wait. And you have to remove the finger from the power button once you see the Apple logo. And right now you can see the Apple logo, which means your phone is restarted, and most probably that even going to help you guys out. So these are some of the workaround that you can try when you're having an issue with email is not working on your iPhone. Once you're done with this one, you can just get into your phone, and these are the steps. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.